Today we're diving into something crucial, boosting your income with side hustles. We're uncovering the top side hustles to rake in some serious extra cash in this year. Whether you're itching to pay off those student loans, dreaming of a down payment, or just want some breathing room in your budget, these side hustles are your ticket. We're talking about gigs you can start with almost no upfront investment, work on your own time, and potentially rake in some serious dough. So, buckle up because we're about to break down 10 incredible side hustles that could change your financial game this year. Let's get right into it. Alright, first up, we're diving into the world of freelancing. If you've got a knack for words or an eye for design, this one's for you. Freelance writing and graphic design are booming right now. Every business needs a website, and every website needs compelling copywriting and eye-catching visuals. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect skilled freelancers with clients worldwide. As a freelance writer, you could be crafting blog posts, website copy, even technical articles, all from home. If you're more visually inclined, graphic design is your jam: logos, social media graphics, website banners, and more. You get to set your rates and choose projects that align with your skills and interests. Freelancing takes hustle, but you're in the driver's seat. The earning potential is huge as you build your portfolio and gain experience. Some freelancers even turn their side hustle into a full-time gig. So if you're ready to unleash your creativity and set your own schedule, freelancing might be perfect for you. Next up, we're tapping into that brain power of yours. If you enjoy explaining things and helping others grasp new ideas, online tutoring and teaching might be your calling. The demand for online education has exploded, offering flexibility and convenience. As an online tutor or teacher, you share your knowledge with students worldwide. Platforms like Chegg Tutors, VIPKid, and Wizant make it easy to connect with students and start earning. You can set your own hours and work from home. Whether you're a math whiz, grammar guru, or fluent in another language, there's a student out there who could benefit from your knowledge. Helping someone achieve their academic goals is incredibly rewarding. It's a win-win: boost your income while making a real difference. For all you creative souls and vintage enthusiasts, this next side hustle is right up your alley. Setting up shop on Etsy, the global marketplace for handmade and vintage items, is a great way to showcase your unique creations. Whether it's jewelry, candles, home decor, or custom-designed t-shirts, Etsy provides the perfect platform. You get to set your own prices, control your brand, and build a business around your passion. Etsy is also a treasure trove of vintage finds: clothing, accessories, furniture, and more. Setting up an Etsy shop is straightforward, with tools and resources to help you get started. The key to success is finding your niche, creating high-quality products, and marketing your shop effectively. With dedication and hard work, your Etsy side hustle could blossom into a thriving online business. Turn your passion into profit. Let's talk about leveraging the power of the sharing economy with Airbnb. If you've got a spare room, guest house, or even an entire property, Airbnb could be your ticket to passive income. People are always traveling, and they're choosing Airbnb for a more authentic, affordable experience. As an Airbnb host, you set your rates, choose your availability, and screen potential guests. Platforms like Airbnb make it easy to manage your listings and communicate with guests. There are tons of resources to help Airbnb hosts succeed. You get to be your own boss and potentially earn significant passive income. Put that spare room or property to work for you and watch your income grow. Sometimes you need a side hustle that lets you hop in your car and disconnect for a bit. Becoming a delivery driver for apps like DoorDash, Uber Eats, or Instacart is perfect for that. The food and grocery delivery industries have exploded, and the demand for drivers is high. As a delivery driver, you bridge the gap between customers and their cravings, or busy families and their groceries. Most delivery apps allow you to set your own hours and choose your delivery zones. You can work a few hours a week or even full-time. The flexibility, independence, and potential for instant earnings make it worthwhile. Explore your city, discover new restaurants, and interact with customers. If you're looking for a flexible, on-demand side hustle, delivery driving might be the perfect fit. In the digital age, everyone needs an extra pair of hands, a virtual pair of hands. If you're organized, multitask well, and thrive in a fast-paced environment, becoming a virtual assistant might be your calling. Entrepreneurs, small business owners, and busy professionals need help managing emails, scheduling, and more. As a virtual assistant, you handle tasks that free up their time and mental energy. The variety of tasks you can offer is endless, from managing emails to creating presentations. Platforms like Belay, Time, etc., and Zirtual connect virtual assistants with clients worldwide. The earning potential is huge, and you can specialize in areas like social media management. If you're looking for a flexible, in-demand side hustle, becoming a virtual assistant might be perfect for you. Use your organizational and communication skills to help others succeed. Let's talk e-commerce with a twist: dropshipping. Dropshipping is a low-cost, low-risk way to dip your toes into e-commerce without inventory management or shipping logistics. You create an online store, list products from a dropshipping supplier, and forward orders to the supplier. The supplier ships the product directly to the customer, and you earn a profit on the difference. Finding reliable suppliers and investing time in building your store and marketing is crucial. Dropshipping allows you to test different product ideas without risking a ton of upfront capital. Start small, learn the ropes, and scale your business as you gain experience. If you've ever dreamed of running your own online business, dropshipping might be the perfect side hustle. Turn that dream into a reality. Let's talk about content creation on YouTube or social media. You don't need a fancy camera or millions of followers to get started. All you need is a passion for something. Gaming, makeup tutorials, travel vlogging, cooking, financial education, or anything in between. Pick a niche you're genuinely interested in and start creating content around it. Platforms like YouTube and social media have democratized content creation, giving anyone the opportunity to reach a global audience. Consistency and authenticity are key. Show up regularly and be yourself. Explore monetization opportunities like ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Building a successful channel or social media presence takes time and effort, but it can be incredibly rewarding. If you're passionate and willing to put in the work, content creation can be a lucrative side hustle. Calling all animal lovers, pet sitting or dog walking might be your perfect match. Pets need someone trustworthy and caring when their humans can't be around. As a pet sitter or dog walker, you provide companionship and care to furry friends. Platforms like Rover and Wag make it easy to connect with pet owners, set your rates, and build your client base. Offer a range of services, from drop-in visits to overnight stays. The earning potential can be surprisingly good, especially in areas with a high concentration of pet owners. Spend your days snuggling with furry friends and exploring your neighborhood. Make a real difference in the lives of pets and their humans. If you love animals, pet sitting or dog walking might be the perfect fit. Turn your car into a money-making machine by renting it out on platforms like Turo and Getaround. Turo and Getaround offer comprehensive insurance coverage and driver screening processes. Create a listing for your car, set your availability and rates, and let renters book online. Make sure your car is in good condition and meets the platform's requirements. The potential to earn passive income by leveraging an idle asset is too good to pass up. Offset the costs of car ownership, like car payments, insurance, and maintenance. Renting out your car is relatively hands-off and can generate significant income. Tap into the sharing economy and put your car to work for you. Renting out your car might be the perfect way to earn extra cash. 10 incredible side hustles to boost your income in this year. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save up for a big purchase, or just have extra spending money, there's a side hustle for everyone. Choose something that aligns with your interests, skills, and lifestyle. Starting a side hustle doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start small and be patient. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Get out there, start earning extra cash, and let's build our paths to financial freedom together. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.